Navigating the world of pregnancy can be as challenging as it is rewarding. Among the many aspects to consider is nutrition, which becomes doubly important. Snacks are a crucial part of this nutritional puzzle, offering both sustenance and satisfaction. During pregnancy, the body's nutritional needs skyrocket. Snacking isn't just about curbing hunger, it's about supporting the growth and development of the baby. Snacks can provide the extra calories and nutrients needed without overloading the digestive system. They help maintain steady blood sugar levels, keeping energy consistent and mood swings at bay. It's not just about eating more, but eating smart. Let's dive into some snack ideas that are both delicious and nutritious. Greek yogurt with berries is a powerhouse of protein and antioxidants. A handful of nuts offers healthy fats and fiber, essential for both mother and baby. For a savory option, whole grain toast topped with avocado supplies folate, vital for fetal development. Craving something sweet? A smoothie with spinach, banana, and a scoop of peanut butter hits the spot while packing in vitamins and protein. And don't forget about the humble boiled egg, a compact source of choline and vitamin D. When choosing snacks, aim for a balance of macronutrients, protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Look for whole foods over processed, and prioritize variety to cover a spectrum of nutrients. Listen to your body's cues and cravings. They're often signals of what it needs, and hydration is key. So pair snacks with water or hydrating fruits like cucumber and watermelon. Remember, thoughtful snacking can make a world of difference to both mother and baby.